Hi guys, welcome to couponing. This is Splint Rose. How are you? Hope you're doing well. I'm doing pretty good. This haul that I'm getting ready to share with you is from CVS. I went back into CVS. I had gotten rain checks for these Purex crystals because when I went in the store they were $1.99. You remember that? So I got a rain check. Plus I had a dollar off coupon. So these were $1.99 each. $1.99, $1.99. I used a dollar off coupon. Dollar off coupon. I got these for 99 cents from CVS. So that was an awesome, awesome deal. All right. The other thing I bought was these two razors, the Gillette razors. I had two $3 off coupons. And I also had I got a $6 off of two. So I got $12 off of these razors. They were $8.99. And when you buy two, you're getting $6 back and extra care bucks. So that was a great deal, guys. Okay, so $8.99, 99 is 18 minus minus $6 is 12, minus another $6 is 6, and then I'm getting $8 back. So the raises were like a $2 money maker for me. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Then I bought two of these toothbrushes because I thought these toothbrushes were going to be the ones that I could redeem $1 back for off of Ibotta, but they were not. I had bought the double ones from Walgreens, and then I bought the single one, and I couldn't get my phone to turn on. I don't know what happens. My Wi-Fi just won't work. But these were $4.99 each. And I bought this toothpaste to go along with it. This toothpaste was $5.99, and the toothbrushes were, oh, okay, I see what happened. The toothbrushes are, you buy one and you get one, yeah, you get one 50% off. So one was $4.99 and the other one was $2.49. So I thought I was going to have enough to get the $5 back, but I didn't. So I can still go in there and earn it. So this toothpaste was $5.99. Wait a minute. Yeah, the toothpaste was $5.99. I'm looking for it here. Yeah, this was $5.99. This was $4.99. This was $2.99. So it wasn't enough. 5, 8, 9, 10. I only had $10, like $11 worth. All right, so I didn't get $5 for that, but I did have a $2 off coupon for this and a $1 off coupon for each one of these toothbrushes that I was able to use. All right, what else did I buy, guys? Oh, of course I bought the trolley candy. This was $2. You get $2 right back, so this was free. Make sure you get yours. Even if you don't eat candy, get it and give it to a kid or something like that. Or give it to somebody that eats it. Then the Physicians Formula. I bought two Physicians Formula. These here were $8.99. And so I bought two of these. And you buy $15 worth and you get back $10. So this was well worth the buy. Okay? So 99 is 18. You're gonna get $10 back. So it's like $4 a piece. Not bad. And that's a nice little lipstick. Then I bought some Rimmel, and this Rimmel was yeah, the Rimmel was $5.99. This was $5.99, and oh, I bought two toothbrushes. Okay, so yeah, I got my money back because here go another toothpaste. I bought two of them, so I got that back. I got the $5 for that. Now the Rimmel, I had that $4 off coupon for the Rimmel, And I don't see it here, but I had a $4 off coupon. All right, so I got this because I had either a $3 or $4 coupon off of this, and this here, in and of itself, was $5.99. I think I had a $3 off coupon, so I got that for $2.99, and it's a double one in there, so that's a good buy. Then the rest of this is CoverGirl stuff. The CoverGirl was, let me just see. Okay, so all of these were basically the same price, $6.79. But this one, these two were $6.79, and this one was $7.29. And when you buy, the reason I bought 3 is that I had a coupon that was $5 off of 20, and so you really only had to buy CoverGirl. You only had to buy $15 worth, but I had a coupon, so I went back and I got this one, and that way I was able to use that $5 off coupon. I had $3 off each one, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $11 off, and then you're getting $8 back, so that's $19 off this product. And let's see, let me just see something. 7, 14, 21. $21. Let's just I round it out. $21, and I got $19 off. 21, 19, 20, 21, $2 for all of this. All right, so that's including the extra care bucks. All right, so I used all my coupons. I used $30 in extra care bucks. All right, then I had a $6 off of 2 Gillette that came off, and a $5 off of $20 of CoverGirl. I paid $30.04. I got back $36 in extra care bucks. Okay, let me just show you. This is my receipt. Okay, that's 5, and 6 is 11, and 5 is 16. And what's that? And 2 is 18, and 8, 19, 20, 26, and 10 is 36. So I got $36 back. I got a, did I get? Yeah, I got a $5 off of 40 for my next purchase, and a couple other coupons. Okay, so I think I did pretty good, guys. Even though I had to pay a little bit out of pocket, basically I did good because I got my money back, so that I have money to buy, to spend on the next transaction that I do. All right? Okay, guys, thank you for joining me. Don't forget, guys, to get your rain checks. That's how I was able to get this, because I had a rain check. And these are normally $6.79. But because I had that rain check, I was able to get this for $1.99. Then I used my $1 off coupon, so I got this for 99 cents. All right? Even though it's only up to here, they don't fill these things up no more. It's like right here. Like right there, I'll tell you. We get less for our money nowadays. All right, okay, guys. Thank you for joining me. Remember, have fun shopping. Press the notification button. Give it a thumbs up. And when you press that notification button, you'll be notified anytime I put up a video. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Love you much. Bye-bye.